Okay, this is my first ever practical video. We're going to react magnesium with sulfuric acid in this boiling tube. Let's place the magnesium in the tube. We've got 10 centimetre cubed of sulfuric acid. We now pour it in. We've got bubbles of hydrogen gas forming, and we know it's hydrogen because when we hold a lit splint, we get the fizzy pop. And that fizzy pop is hydrogen reacting with the oxygen in the air to form water vapour very, very quickly. And here are the word equations and balance symbol equations for the reaction of magnesium and sulfuric acid at the top, and also the test for hydrogen, the reaction at the bottom.